find myself sitting in the middle of the road, staring up at this Van Gogh sky, completely mesmerized by its beauty. But at the same time, overwhelmed with melancholy, because I'm this close to understanding what everything is about. But I can't quite get there. And then all of a sudden, maybe 20 feet in front of me or so, there's this immense deer, and he's just standing there staring at me with these huge antlers and intense yellow eyes. And he says to me in this Clint Eastwood voice,
"Relax, kid. There's nothing to understand. It's all just stories. So just pick one to believe and enjoy the ride."